Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. I hope you're having a good day. So today you're going to keep working on your African summative. So I introduced this to you yesterday, but I'm going to go through it just to give you some reminders. So remember, you are going to decide if the African resistance to the colonization was successful or not. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to read documents and collect evidence. So here's document 1. At the top of each document, if you click there, it'll have the document read out loud to you. Feel free to use the headphones hanging behind my desk if you do not have your own and you would like to listen to the document read to you. On the right-hand side are some words and their definitions that'll help you understand the reading. So just use those to your advantage as you're reading along as well. Your job is to read the document and then fill out the chart based on what you read in that document. So it says, according to document 1, the resistance was, and you're either going to put successful or unsuccessful because blank. So you're going to take that reasoning as to why it was successful or unsuccessful from the reading. So if you said it was successful, tell me how the reading said it was successful. If you told me that it was unsuccessful, how did the reading say that it was unsuccessful? Okay, you're going to do that same thing for each of the 6 documents. Once you get through all of the documents, you're going to first type your rough draft, okay? This is where you're now going to make your decision whether you thought it was successful or unsuccessful. It is your opinion. You're going to use the different documents to support that topic sentence or that opinion. Okay, so if you say successful up here, you should have 3 documents that prove that it was successful. If you said unsuccessful, 3 different documents that show me that it was unsuccessful. And then your concluding sentence at the end. When you're done with your rough draft here, you're going to take and retype your sentences from your rough draft into a completed paragraph in this box. If you want to earn a 4 or try to push to earn a 4, you need to quote an additional source or pull an additional piece of information from a source that you already used. I would like to remind you that you do have today and tomorrow to finish this. So if you do not get to the paragraph part today, that's totally fine. Remember, it is summative, so take your time. Do not rush through it. Because again, it is summative. There is also a rubric up here at the top if you would like to use it to help guide your work. All right, like I said, it's not due today, so you don't need to turn it in at the end of class because you'll have another work day tomorrow. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day.